Hi, this is Pat again with Big Boss Flooring. Hey, so today we're going to talk about a couple of different ways of doing stairs that we have. So to start off with is the first step that we have here. This is a hardwood stair. So this is a flush. Now on hardwood stairs it can be kind of expensive because of the nosing that we have to put on there. Depending on the species of wood and stuff like that, some of these can run as much as $120 for only 6 feet of nosing. And then you also got the expense of the wood in there. But as you can see, it looks beautiful. You'll be able to sand it and refinish it and make it look brand new again. So this is our next step. This is a laminate step. What they'll do a lot of times is go ahead and put the laminate on here on the face of it. Sometimes they have to cut the nosing off of it to make it flush, so then that way they can put this nosing onto it. What's nice about this is that it's easy to install. It's a lot less expensive. Your nosing doesn't cost nearly as much. To do a set of stairs on this, you're looking at anywhere from about $1,200 to $2,000 to do a set of stairs. Every once in a while, the brands will have, a few of them have a flush nosing, so it makes it nice and even. With the lip here, though, it does help if you have rugs behind here not to slip off if they do break free from taping them down. The neat thing about this is it's a harder product, so it's harder to dent and to damage. And it just gives you an overall really nice look. Our third step is a LVT, or what we also known as vinyl plank. This is waterproof. What's great about it is a quieter step. It's easy to install. It's got lots of colors and lots of textures. For the install cost on this is also looking about the same as your laminate flooring. So you're looking at $65 a step, and then plus the material. Material is going to be close to the same as your laminate, again running anywhere from about $1,200 all the way up to about $2,000 to do a set of stairs in this product. In a lot of the LVPs, not in all of them, but in quite a few of them, they do make a flush stair nosing. So what you can do is, as you can see, it can be put together and make it nice and smooth. So this comes in a wider piece. Now some of these will vary. Some of them are not as wide as this. This is made by Winky Cascade. So guys, here's a overlap nosing that we would use on a lot of products. So how that works is it will give you that look once you put the stair together, and so you'll have a little bit of a bump. Alright guys, here's our laminate step. What's done a little bit differently on this is got a tile stair nose, and this comes in aluminum, nickel, gold. There's a couple other finishes, bronze. And so the reason why this is used is to give you a flush nosing. So that way you got no lip on there like you see a lot of times. So the cost on this is going to run a little bit more. The nosing runs about per step, it works out to be about $10 more. Depending on the width of your steps, it could cost even more if you got super wide steps. But this will run you approximately closer to about the $1,500 to about the $2,300 to have this done on your stairs. Another stair that we did was unique about this is we put the laminate on the face of it and we put carpet on top. Now the beauty of this a lot of times is that the carpet doesn't touch anywhere else, so you can get really crazy and wild. You can put some wild colors on your stairs if you wanted to. You can put traditional nice fluffy soft carpet on there. But the reason why we do this a lot of times is one is the expense. This runs about 25 bucks a stair. So for a set of stairs, it runs quite a bit less depending on the carpet that you put on it, but compared to doing it all in laminate. Also, the advantage of this is that it makes it much more safer, and it's much easier on the knees. When you come down the stairs, it makes it much comfortable for walking up and down stairs. Downfall is it does show a little bit more of the traffic over time, but the beauty of it is that it doesn't cost much to just replace just the top of the carpet. So you can, every 5 to 10 years, you can change it up and make your stairs look completely different without having much expense. So guys, this is another stair. We did it in commercial carpet, but again, you can do it in any types of carpet. As long as you have enough nosing on the edge of the stair to do this. This is what we call Roman cap. There are a few other names that people call it too. And so the neat thing about this is it gives you a definition of the step, and a lot of people like that. It gives you a much better appeal and look. Usually on something like this, you're about 10 to 15 bucks a stair, so again, this makes it even less money to go this route. It just gives you a really nice look on a stair. Alright guys, here's our stair that would cost the least amount of money. Again, doing it all in carpet. You can do a variety of different carpets in this. This is what commonly most used. This is what we call waterfall, where it comes over the top and droops down. It has no definition to it. Again, a lot of times we have to do this because it depends on how the stair was made. underneath of it. But the waterfall is probably your least expensive. It goes anywhere from $5 to $12 a step, again depending on the step. But overall, this is going to be your least amount of money. So guys, this is kind of one of our other steps that we can do. This is used most of the time for commercial. You can use it residential. We've seen it done that way too, especially if safety is an issue. It has a traction on the top of it. This is a rubber stair nose. And what we did with this one is that we have carpet tiles. So should you want to put carpet tiles through the area, but yet finish off the nosing, this is what's used most of the time. It's a rubber stair nose. It can be used also for regular carpet too. Makes it to where you don't have to replace this piece. You can just replace the carpet, making it easy replacement. The rubber stair nose is not too much, and so it's a way to do the stairs a little differently.